In this video, I will show you how to go in and check on your students' completion of their survey tasks in the High School and Beyond plan. When you log into High School and Beyond, no matter where you're getting here from, whether it's from the Google Waffle or Clever or from the Homeroom Dashboards app, once you get to this application, you'll just have to click off of this little blurred screen here and it will take you in. I want you to notice I'm impersonating a teacher in our district right now, so everything will look exactly as it will on your account, but all of the names and data are scrambled in this example. So over here on the left, you'll see this menu. You want to come down to the student completion, click into that, and then go all the way towards the bottom to the data tables option. From there, you'll see lots of different types of data tables, which are just essentially spreadsheets that you can run with different information. The one we want to go to is the Career Planner Survey Completion Summary. And you can click on the gear on the right and then click to launch it. Once there, then you'll go in and select the student group. You can review data for any of the student groups you have access to, and they will all be automatically populated here. Each class period you have all students, but I know most of you will probably want to filter this to your advisory class. So if you just filter it down, you can select that. And then in assignments, you can choose from all the different assignments that they have in High School and Beyond. So I'm going to say I just want to look at their preferences review right now, which is their preferences survey. Farther down, there's also the interest review and these career exploration ones as well for the different surveys they may be doing this year. If I click preferences review, you can add multiple if you want to as well. Maybe I'll add interest review also. And then you can choose if you want it to include students who used to be enrolled but have withdrawn. Probably you just want to set that to true, to exclude students who have withdrawn from your class this year at some point. Then hit set. And then you can see all these asterisks means that these student names and ID numbers are scrambled. You can scroll to review the data right here within the High School and Beyond application. If you scroll over, you can see there's a column that tells you the name of the assignment. So this is the preferences survey. For each student, how many questions they've answered out of the total and whether or not it's complete. And then if you keep scrolling, it takes you to the next assignment. Here's the interest, questions, total possible, and whether or not it's complete. Anything you do here, it will not save. So the best thing I would do if you want to use this for longer or do some sorting or highlighting or anything is click on this little gear up here in the right corner and download the data. And that will download. It'll just take a few seconds and a big pop-up window will open here. It will also send you an email, but if you click the link from the email, it will ask you to log in again. So I typically just wait here until my download comes through. It doesn't take too long. Whoops, didn't mean to hit that. But I will show you, I already did an example. And when it downloads, it looks kind of like this. This one, I didn't have the data scrambled, so I blacked out the names here, but you can see what it will look like. And then you can come and say, well, I really just want to know on this interest review over here, whether or not the students have it complete. I want to see who's missing so I can filter it down. And then over here, it would show me their first names of those students. So that is how you can get in and monitor your students in the High School and Beyond plan and their completion of their surveys.